Assalamu alaikum viewers, it's me Ahmed Mahavi. Today I am going to tell you what is Amazon. So first of all I am to open the Chrome and search here what is Amazon. Amazon. Okay. So here Amazon.com is an American multinational technology company which focuses on e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. It has been referred to as one of the most influential economic and cultural forces in the world and is one of the world's most valuable brand. Okay, now I'm going to check its Wikipedia. Trade name Amazon, formerly Cadabra, type public trading. Okay, industry e-commerce, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, consumer electronics, entertainment, digital distribution, self-driving cars, supermarkets, much more. It was founded in July 5, 1994, 28 years ago, like in US. And its founder is Jeff Bezos. Its headquarters is in Satellite, Washington and Arlington, Virginia, US. Area served worldwide. It is available in worldwide. Key people: Jeff Bezos, Executive Chairman, and Andy Jassy, President and CEO. Its services are Amazon.com, Amazon Alexa, Amazon App Store, Amazon Luna, Amazon Music, Amazon Pay, Amazon Prime. And its net income, look at the net income. Its net income is 33 billion US dollars in 2021. Oh my god, it's too much. Okay. Amazon was founded by Jeff Bezos from his garage in Bellevue, Washington on July 5, 1994. Initially an online marketplace for books, it has expanded into a multitude of product categories, a strategy that has earned it the moniker the Everything Store. It has multiple subsidiaries including Amazon Web Services, Zox, Cooper System, and Amazon Lab 126. Its other subsidiaries include Ring, Twitch, IMDb, and Whole Food Markets. There is much more detail about it. I hope you guys can easily understand this. I think that is enough for you guys. So, thank you so much for watching my video. Inshallah, see you guys soon. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.